Welcome to part 1 of the tutorial for the new Sales Tools and Ad Position Showcase. As you'll see here, step 1 is to create your showcase page or multiple pages. Basically, you have two options. One is to use our default ads page, which is basically going to allow you to showcase all of your different ad positions, but not necessarily have the ads tailored to specific industries or verticals. You're basically going to be showing a generic variety of verticals and really just showcasing, hey, we can do a 300 by 250, a 728 by 90, also a pencil push, etc. And that's a great way to do it, and it's a simple way to get started. You'll notice when you actually highlight, copy this link, and paste it into a new window, it's going to take you to a branded page where no login is necessary. And this is a URL that you're going to provide to your salespeople. They can either take it out in the field, showcase it live in front of advertisers, or email it to them and have the advertisers view it directly on their desktop. And it's going to take them to a page where it's going to split your ad units between Premier Ads and Standard Ads. And if the user clicks on any of the ad units, it'll pop open a preview and basically showcase that ad unit and functionality here for them as it would show up on your site. And when they close the preview, they're back here at the example page. So if I come here to Standard Ads, again, we have some standard samples in here for you. If I click on this, it's going to pop open, for instance, a 300 by 250, and in this instance, it happens to have automotive content, but it could be anything. You're really just trying to showcase the fact that you offer a 300 by 250 position. Likewise, we offer sticky note drops and wallpapers, etc. Now you can configure what the examples are, and we'll showcase that more in part 2 of the video, and you can determine how many ads you're going to show here. You can pop in your CPM rates. We'll show you how to do that as well. It's highly configurable. But here in step 1, you're determining whether you want this one page layout, or when I come back here to the Sales Tools page, you'll see you have your first page here. If you wanted to rename it, you could rename it instead of My Ads, just call it All Positions. And when I click Update and refresh the page over here, you're going to see My Ads has now changed to All Positions. So now what I can do here is, instead of just having one page which is showcasing all your positions, you can add additional pages. And what we recommend doing here is, if you want to go this route, basically create a new page for each vertical that you want to showcase. So for instance, if you wanted to do automotive ads, you can do a page for automotive. We'll do another page here for real estate. And in this instance, you'd probably repurpose, instead of having an all positions page, which you could keep, you could also rename it and say this one's going to be retail. And again, if I refresh the page here, you'll see now retail, which I misspelled. Now there we go. So we have retail, automotive, and real estate. And now what you'll notice is, as soon as you add a second page, or in this instance 3 pages, when I go to this same link, instead of taking us right to the page where we see Standard and Premier Ads, when I refresh the link, it's going to take me now to a selector page where, instead of going right into the ads, the first thing the salesperson or the advertiser is going to see is, well, select which category do you want, retail, automotive, or for instance real estate. Now when I go here, you're going to see this isn't populated with ads yet, and we'll showcase in step 2 how to populate this with ads. But basically the idea here is you're creating a unique page for each of your verticals, and this is going to be outfitted with content. So when I view a pencil expander, it's going to show me a real estate version of that. And if I preview a standard 300 by 250, it's going to show me a 300 by 250 real estate version. So those are your two options. Either just keep the universal page, or you can create as many different vertical pages as you like and populate them with your ad content. To do that, you're going to click on the Edit button to the right of any of these, and that's going to take us over. For instance, if I click real estate or retail, it's going to take me to step 2, which is where you're going to go to watch part 2 of this video tutorial. Again, in here it's going to now allow you to create positions, and we'll showcase exactly how to do that in part 2 of the video. So again, to recap, step 1 is creating one or multiple pages. You do that right here. And step 2 is actually outfitting those pages with content. You're going to do that by clicking edit and then watch the video tutorial for step 2. If you have any questions, call us at 866-467-2289.